Yes. So this is a kind of comparison. Now say, if we take another example, if I say one person is having height 150 centimeter and a brother is having height 75 centimeters. So how will you compare these height? Okay, we'll compare this height. We can't say one is having 75 and another is having 125. This will not be a comparison. We would
Ma'am, we
say,
can say,
yes,
ma'am, her brother is half of her height.
yes, her brother is half of her height, or sister is twice the height of the brother. Okay, so this is the comparison. So we are doing the comparison in terms of ratios. Okay, we are taking the ratios of two heights. Okay, the ratios of two height, 125 divided by 75. Okay, centimeter. So one important thing is, while taking the ratio, their unit must be same. Okay, their unit must be same, then only you can take the ratio. If units are different, first convert the unit into same unit and then take the ratio. Okay. Now the ratio of their height would be 2:1. Okay, if I say the sister height is 150 meter and the brother height is 75 centimeter, so the ratio would be same in this case. The ratio would be same or it will be different?
Ma'am, it would be same.
No, it would not be same, because here the quantity is in meter. I am saying that for taking the ratio, the unit must be same. The unit of quantities must be same. Here the unit is meter, here is the centimeter. First convert this 150 into centimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, now you can take the ratio. Okay, in the while taking the ratio, the unit should also get cancelled out. Okay, now see, the ratio would be 15,000 centimeter divided by 75 centimeter. Now unit should also get cancelled out, because ratio don't have any unit. Ratio doesn't have any unit. Okay, now see, now you can cut this 75 to the 150. The ratio would be 200:1. Okay, so the more important point, their unit should be equal. Okay, then only you are allowed to take the ratios. Okay, now see, if I say find the ratios of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. Okay, find it out. Find out the ratio and type your answer. Ritik, Nimala.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just now joined. Ma'am, I have my finals in day after tomorrow. I have some doubts. Can I ask them?
Yes. Last your mother was messaged me, right? That you
Yes.
have some doubt in your question paper. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That we would discuss in the last 20-25 minutes. Okay. I'm starting this chapter, comparing quantities. Is this coming in your exam?
Yes, ma'am. We have this. Ma'am, I have few doubts also in this, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll discuss it definitely.
Okay.
After in the last 20 minutes, you remind me. Okay. So now find out the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300. Yeah, Ritvik, do it. Find the ratio of 3/100. Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
I've sent the answer.
Yeah, Isha is correct. Nikhil is correct. Mahavir is correct. Ahana is correct. Gohit.
Yes, ma'am, sending.
ma'am, 1 second, I'm doing it.
Yes. Gohit, 1 by?
Ma'am?
No, it's not correct. Gohit,
Okay, ma'am.
you are doing
Yes,
common
ma'am.
mistake. I am saying again and again that taking ratio unit must be same. Are they same?
Okay, ma'am.
Convert the unit first and then take the ratio.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritvik, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Do it fast. Convert this kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer would be 1000 meter. Okay. Now take the ratio of two quantity 300 meter. So
3,000. Yes, ma'am. Cancel the zeros.
3 cancelled out. 10 ratio 1. Okay.
Number 1.
So now the ratio can be typed by using the column also. By using these two dots, you can show the ratio. Is the symbol to show the ratio. Now see. Okay. Now, if I say find out the ratio of the first one, A. Find it out. The ratio of first one.
Ma'am,
5 rupees to 50.
5 into 100.
5 into 100.
5 into 100. Yes, ma'am. 5 into 100
I
by
have seen the answer.
By? Yes, correct. Who
Ma'am,
sent the answer?
Ma'am Mahavir.
Yes, correct. Divided by 50.
we cancel the zeros.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Cancel
Ritvik,
the
correct.
5 and 1.
Correct. So all of you, please do it fast. They are very simple. Okay, now we will see what are the equivalent ratio. If I say what are the equivalent ratio? For getting equivalent ratio, we need to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. If I say find the equivalent ratio of 5 by 20. Okay, so what would be that? Equivalent ratio, 2 equivalent ratio of 5 by 20. Yeah, type your answer. Do it fast. Go ahead.
Ma'am, 5 by
Yes, ma'am, doing it.
should ma'am, basically we should multiply it, right, ma'am?
Multiply in the numerator and denominator both sides.
Yes, ma'am. 5 ones are and 5 fours are.
5 ones are 5 fours are. No, to find out the equivalent ratio of 5 by 4, 5 by 20.
Ma'am, is my answer correct, Mahavir?
Yes, correct. See, Ritvik Nimala, for getting the equivalent ratio, you have to multiply any number with the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. Suppose if I take 3. So multiply both the side. Okay.
Ma'am, 5 are 15, 23 are 60.
Yes. So one would be 15 by 16 and the second one, take any number again, any number. Suppose I am taking 5. Okay.
Yes,
so 5 by 5.
Ma'am, 5 by 5, 25. 25 are 200.
By 100. Okay. So the answer would vary from person to person. Okay, according to the number of this number.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, we can write any two, right?
Any two, whatever is coming in your mind, multiply both the side with that number.
Ma'am, I also divided it by 5.
Yes, everyone is correct. Only the thing you need to multiply both the side, numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. Now see how to compare two ratios, two equivalent ratio. Okay. Now see, if I am giving example, this 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, are they equivalent or not? How will you compare these ratios? The same thing we did in the second chapter.
Fractions and decimals.
Fractions and decimals.
Yes. How will you compare two fractions? These are kind of fraction, or you can say they are in a.
We just need to find the LCM and do it.
Yes. First, convert them into like fraction. Okay. So like fraction. For like fraction, their denominator should be equal. So for equating the denominator, you have to take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator would be 12.
I'm 12.
Okay, so we need to multiply 4. 4 both the side here and 3 both the side over here. Okay, so now solve it. 8 by
8 by 12 and 9 by 12.
Yes, so which one is greater? Now, since their denominator is same,
Same.
you can compare with the numerator. 9 is greater. So this 9 by 12. 9 by 12 is correspond to 3 by 4. And 8 by 12 is 2 by 3. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. It means they are not equal. They are not equivalent. Okay. Clear? What is the equivalent ratio? Or how will you compare equivalent ratio? Okay. Now come to the next. Yes.
Just multiply the
Ma'am?
denominators. I think.
Yes, yes. LCM would be the multiplication of the denominators.
Yes.
Okay.
And ma'am, if it's equivalent fraction, then it will be same numbers, right?
Yes. Yes. If they are equivalent, their value are equal. So they will be equal in quantity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. Now. Yes. Wait. Now do this question. Population of Rajasthan is 570 lakh and UP is 660. Area of Rajasthan and area of UP. How many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? How many people are there per kilometer square? You have to find out the people divided by area. People per area.
Yes, ma'am.
Ratio. Okay, people per kilometer square. Okay, so for the Rajasthan, number of people are 570
570 by 3 lakhs.
lakh means
Kilometer square.
Ma'am, lakh means 100,000.
okay, 570 lakh, and keep it as a lakh only because the area is in lakh per kilometer
It's
square.
already given, ma'am. Area of Rajasthan and area of
Yes, so area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh per kilometer square. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can take the ratio. You can solve it. This lakh will get cancelled out.
Ma'am, the ratio is basically divided, ma'am.
Ratio is division. Ratio is
Yes.
division.
That is 29.
Yes, 29.
Ma'am, it's 290. Ma'am, it's 290.
290 people per kilometer. Okay. 290 people per kilometer square. Okay. Now for the UP.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
for
For UP,
Rajasthan.
1660 lakhs.
Yes.
Ma'am, that's
840.
Divided by 2 lakh.
ma'am, 2 lakh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it would be 840.
It would be 8 4
40.
830. Ma'am, 830.
Yes.
830, not 800.
Yes, 830 people per meter square. Okay, that's it. That is the answer of first. Second, which state is less populated? So which one is less?
Rajasthan.
Which one is less? Rajasthan. Obviously 290 is less than the 830. So Rajasthan is less populated. Rajasthan is less populated. Okay. Go it clear?
Ma'am, I didn't
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
this. Can you
Yes,
explain
ma'am, it's
once again?
clear.
Yes, Aisha, tell me.
I didn't understand this question.
Wait, see. The first question.
How is Rajasthan more populated, ma'am? Rajasthan has 290 people per kilometer square, but UP has 830 people per kilometer square.
Yeah, so which one is more populated? Where the number of people are more? Where the number
Ma'am,
of
meter and kilometer.
kilometer square?
Oh,
Both
that's
are in
awesome.
kilometer square. Okay. See.
Ma'am, it's UP, right, ma'am, not Rajasthan.
No. The 290 people. If per kilometer the people are less, it means less population is there. If per kilometer the population is high, it means that state is having more population.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, once can you go up?
Yeah.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, even in the question only the answer is given. 570 lakhs and 1,660 lakhs.
Okay. This is given, na? So Aisha Fatima, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Wait. Now listen. how many people are there per kilometer square? See, there are 570 lakh people, and area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh. Take the ratio. Okay, people per kilometer square. People is 570 lakh. Area is 3 lakh per kilometer square. So you, after solving, you will get 290 people per kilometer square. Same for the UP. Take the population and divide it by area. You, after solving, you will get 830 people per kilometer square. Okay, so this is the ratio. This is the ratio. Okay, the given
Yes,
the
sir.
required ratio. And the second one, which state is less populated? Now you can see in the UP, the number of people are more. In Rajasthan, number of
Yes,
people
ma'am.
are less. So less people, less populated. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
ma'am, understood.
Okay, now we will see the proportion. Proportion, ratio, percentage, they all are used for comparing purpose, for comparing the things. Okay, so where we will use the proportion? Now see, if I say this is my building. Okay, is this the actual height of the building? Here in this picture you can see the height will be only 2 centimeter. Is that actual height? No,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
the actual height can't be 2 centimeter. Okay, it would be the actual height. If I say the actual height is 100 meter. Okay, so can you tell me now what is the scale of this picture? What is the scale of this picture? If actual height is 100 meter and I have considered 2 meter over here, so what is the scale I have taken?
Ma'am, it's 2 centimeters.
No, this is not a scale. This is the actual height. This is the height in the picture. This is the actual
Ma'am,
height.
like I was telling, like you took, ma'am, the drawing is 2 centimeters.
Yes, the scale can be find out. The scale can be find out by taking the ratio of actual height to the height in the picture, height in the photo. So height in the photo is 2 centimeter. So okay. So what is the scale? Scale is 50 where meter centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now centimeter will get cancelled out. The scale is 5000. Okay, the scale is 5000 means this picture, if you zoom this picture 5000, then you will get the actual size of the building.
5,000, ma'am. Why did you multiply it by 100?
Because here the see the unit is not same. Here in meter, here in centimeter.
Okay,
so
okay.
for taking the ratio, the unit must be same. Okay, so this scale is 5000. Okay, now if I say the tree, there is a tree here. So if I say here the tree height is 1.5 centimeter and the actual height of tree is 70 centimeter. Okay, so what is the scale of tree is being used here? The scale of tree would be the
Ma'am, 70 by 1.5.
70 by 1.5. Okay, so this would be
Ma'am, 700 by 15.
700 by 15, and after solving this you will get 700 by 15. What will you get? 700 divided by 15. You will get 46.6. Okay, or approximately 47. Okay, so the ratio of all the things in a picture, scale of all the thing in a picture should be equal. Okay, are they equal? No. Building height scale is 5000 and the tree scale is 47. Okay, understood? So so they should be in proportion. Okay, each and every part should be in proportional scale. Okay, it should be in proportional scale. Okay, so to compare these type of images or the part of images, we use the proportion. Okay, so the actual height of building and actual height of the height of building in this picture to the actual height, and the height of tree in the picture to the actual height of tree, they should be in proportion. Proportion means they should be equal. If the ratios are equal, then we say they are in a proportion. Okay, now see how to solve the proportion problem. So there are many various methods, but we will adopt the easiest one. Okay, if I say solve this one, yeah, can you solve it? Do it fast. 8 strawberries rupees 64, then what will be the cost of 25 strawberry? Yeah, do it fast. Everyone should give answer. Type in your chat box. Correct. Mavid, correct. Aisha Fatima. Rohit.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sending it, ma'am.
Yes. Nikhil. Ritvik Nimala. Ritvik Nimala,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your
Ma'am,
answer?
cost of 8 strawberries.
8 strawberry is 64.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
what will be the cost of 25 strawberry?
Ma'am, 64 into 25.
No,
Sorry, 8 into 25.
no.
Ma'am,
We are having day after tomorrow, right?
Ma'am, 64 divided by 25.
No, no, no. This
No,
64
ma'am.
is not the cost of 1 strawberry. It is the cost of 8 strawberry.
So we should find out one. Okay.
1.
64 divided by 8 into 25.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, I've sent the answer.
Correct, correct. Aisha, correct. Govit, correct. So you always use unitary method. The simplest one method is the unitary method. Okay. So for these type of problems here in ratio proportion, okay, everywhere use that unitary method. Find out the cost of one thing and then multiply with the whatever number is being asked. Okay, Mahavir, which method you tried here?
Ma'am, unitary method. Ma'am, because ma'am, here unitary method would be easier than like using that.
Yes.
Like,
Okay. Listen. 8 strawberry cost is 64. So 1 strawberry cost will be
ma'am, 8 rupees.
64 by 8.
8, ma'am, it is 8.
Okay. Now the 25 strawberry cost would be 64 by 8 into 25,
25.
which would be equal to 200
200.
rupees. Okay. So don't try to forget this unit. Okay. Okay. Let's move forward. I think they are easier. Please, everyone has to try. Everyone tried with me. Okay. Nobody will skip the answer. A map is okay. This also can be done by unitary method. Okay. Now do this one. The car that I own can go 150 kilometer with 25 liter petrol. How far? Sorry. Can it go with 30 liter petrol? Yes. Do it fast, everyone. Be responsible, be honest. Okay. Please solve all the questions which I am giving you. Ritvik, what is
Ma'am,
your
I'm
answer?
doing this, ma'am. I didn't. I'm trying to do this. Ma'am, is it same like
Yes.
150 divided by 25 into 30?
Don't mug up the way. Let me tell. Yeah, tell me the method. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 150 kilometers into 20
Yes,
divided by 25 into 30.
Yes. So we need to find out the distance. Okay. So 150 for 25 liter, it is going to 150 kilometer. So for 1 liter petrol, it will go 150 by 25 kilometer. Okay. So whatever is being asked here, they are asking about the kilometer. So keep that thing on the right hand side. Okay, keep that thing on right hand side. See, there are two things. One is the liter of petrol and other is the kilometer. Okay, so the 25 liter car is running 150 kilometer. So they are asking for the 30 liter. Okay. So for 1 liter, it will run for 150 by 25 kilometer. And for 30 liter, it will run 150 by 25 into 30. Yes, everyone is correct. Everyone is correct. So 150 into 30, solve it.
180.
180 kilometer.
Now I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, if like I can tell one problem, ma'am. Ma'am, like ma'am, 11 by 26.
11 by 26, why?
Yes, I'm just having this doubt.
Okay, okay. 11 by
By
26
26 into 30. Ma'am,
into
can
30.
we like calculate with the number given? Like, can we also cancel the multiplication?
Where?
Ma'am, in the above one, you cancel 30 into 6, right? Can we do like that?
30. No, 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 no. I have cancelled, like, see how did I solve it? First I cancel 30 and 25 with the table of 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine.
After that I cancelled out 5 with 150. 30. You can't cancel the multiplication term. You can cancel only in the you can cancel only the division term.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and then 30 into 6.
Yes, 30 into 6 would be 180.
Ma'am, we can directly cancel 25 ones are and 25 six are.
Yes. 25 6 are 150 and 6 into 30 would be 180. Okay. Anyway, it is correct. So please repeat. Don't do this blunder mistake. Okay. You check your calculation 2 times. You are not allowed to cut the multiplication. In multiplication, you can cancel in the division only. Now see, we'll see the percentage, the important part of this chapter. What is a percentage? Percentage,
Ma'am,
yes, 100. Percentage is 100. If I say I am having a in my first term I got 75 marks out of 100. So what is the percentage of my marks?
ma'am, 75 into 100 by no, ma'am. 75 by 100, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's 75%.
Yes. Ritvik, you are correct. You are correct. For percentage, you need to multiply by 100. Okay.
100.
So first take the ratio of the marks obtained to the total marks and multiply it by 100.
Ma'am, if
Okay.
the total is 100, ma'am, it's even more easier.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Just
Yes.
write the entire number and add percentage beside
Yes. If total is 100. If total is not 100, then what will be if in the second term exam I got 75 out of 200, then what is my percentage of number?
Ma'am, 75 into 200.
No, no, not into 200.
Ma'am, 75 into 100 by 200.
200. Okay, so whatever is the ratio,
Ma'am,
first
37.5.
solve it and then multiply with the 100.
Ma'am, it's 37.5%.
Okay. Ritvik, don't be confused with 100 and 200. If I am saying convert this into percentage, simply you multiply that number with 100. Okay. Keep the same number and multiply with the 100. Here also keep the number same and multiply it with 100. If I ask you to convert in the percentage, simply multiply that number with the 100. That's it.
Then do we like cancel 75?
Yeah, we can cancel after for simplification. This 100 will get cancelled out and I will get 75%. Okay, and in the second one, see, 0 will get cancelled out. 75 by 2.
75 by 2 is 37.5%.
37.5% or 37.5. Both are same. Okay. Correct.
How 37.5?
75 by 2.
75 to 0 is 37.5. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Okay, ma'am. 2 ones are and 75 into 2.
yes. So this is a method of taking percentage. Okay. Multiply this by 100. Okay, what is the percentage meaning? Latin word, it is a Latin word and its meaning is percentum, meaning per 100. We are talking about per 100. Okay, now why we are using percentage? See, in some of example, you might have heard that the pollution is increasing day by day. Okay, and in pollution, the air is polluted. Okay, the air is having nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. Okay, if I say the nitrogen in the air is 0.75, 0.21 oxygen, and 0.01 gram other gases. Okay, and if I convert these decimal to percentage, simply multiply with 100, then it will be more convenient way of representing this thing, right? That
Yes.
78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 1% other gas, right? So this is the convenient way. Percentage is the convenient way to represent a number.
Yes, ma'am. We also have it like 97 of the available water is usable. No,
Yes.
not usable. Not usable. Sorry.
Okay, now do this example. Do it fast. We have very less time. Very few days are left. What is the percentage of boys and girls in the class of 100 students if number of boys is 55 and number of girls is 45? Yes, Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Boys and girls. Ma'am. Ma'am, 55 plus 45 by 100. I mean into 100. 55 plus 45.
No, Ritvik. What are you going to do?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, it's 100, right, ma'am?
Percentage. Convert into percentage.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the percentage of girls, we have to do number of girls by total number of students in class, that is 45 by 100, then 45%.
Yes. And boys?
Then boys, number of boys by total number of students in class, 55 by 100, 55%.
Okay. So go, Ritvik. Where did you do mistake?
Ma'am, I thought it was complete in total, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also thought that they were
Always divide by the total.
Ma'am, if it's total, then it's 100% attendance.
Yes. No.
Ma'am, they asked right, what is the percent of boys and girls, right? Ma'am, so 55 plus 45, which is 100. And it's 100 into 100, which is 1, ma'am, so it's 100% answer.
No. I am asking about the number of boys separately. What is the percentage number of boys
Okay.
and girls separately?
Boys number is out of 100 students, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, boys number is 55 and girls number is 45%.
45.
Yes, that is given. Okay.
Ma'am, this is very easy.
If total is 100, you can directly. It will be easier to convert this into percentage.
Ma'am, just write the same number and add percentage.
Okay. If I say the total number of students are 200, then find out the
Yes, ma'am.
percentage of boys.
Ma'am, 55 into 200.
No. What happened?
55 by 100.
55 by 100 55 by 200 multiplied by 100.
Yes, Ritvik, you are repeating the same mistake. Actually, what you did in your marks, did you multiply with the total marks or did you divide it with the total marks to get the percentage of marks? If you got the 80 marks, so to convert it into percentage, did you divided it or did you multiplied it?
Ma'am, divide.
Yes. So every time to count to calculate the percentage, you have to divide the given number with the total number. Okay. So don't be confused with, always divide the total number. Always divide the total number. Given number with the total number. To find out the percentage, always divide the given number with the total number. Boys are 55, total are 200, and since we are converting into percentage means multiply 100.
Ma'am,
Okay.
if you multiply, if we simplify it, cancel the zeros. Ma'am, it would be 25 point, no, 22, no ma'am, 25, 27.5.
Yes, 27.5% boys and girls.
Ma'am, girls, it would be, ma'am, again, we have to cancel this.
I'm 17.5.
Okay, Nikhil will tell me. Nikhil is
I'm actually great.
go hit.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the percentage of girls?
Ma'am, I'm still not getting it. 1 minute, ma'am. Percentage of girls, right, ma'am? 1 minute. Ma'am, 72.5.
How?
No, ma'am, that's wrong.
How did you calculate it?
Ma'am, we have to do by 200 only for.
Number of girls are? What are the number of
Ma'am,
girls?
number of girls are 45.
And total number of students?
Ma'am, total number of students are
200.
yes, ma'am, 200.
Okay, and convert it into percentage, then multiply this thing with 100. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, which will be 45 by 2.
45 by 2.
Ma'am, which is 22.5%.
Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
22 point?
22.5%, ma'am.
Yes. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,
For
ma'am.
anyone? No. Now we will see the percentage if total is not 100. Okay. If I say, see this picture. There are 4 B's. Okay. 2 is going right side. 2 is going to the left side. Okay. So what is the percentage of B's which is going right side? Tell me.
Ma'am, should I tell?
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, out of 2 B's, 8 are going right and 8 are going left. What is percentage
You
of?
can type yes. Mahavir, correct. Type your answer in chat box.
Ma'am, 2. Sorry, ma'am, sorry, 50.
50%.
Ma'am, we have to use unitary method, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, 50.
Okay. 2 are going. No need to apply the unitary method. You can do it directly that.
Ma'am, no need to apply any method.
Any method, just find out the percentage. Find out percentage. Percentage is the part divided by total number into 100. That is the formula of percentage. You apply this formula.
Yes, ma'am. That too here they
Yes,
gave that there
So
are
number of B's going to the right side is 2. Total is 4 into 100. That's it.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and also here like 2 and 4. Ma'am, we know that 2 is half of 4. Ma'am, so it's 50%.
Yes. Half 2 by 4. 2 and 2 150. Okay, you can get 100 by 2. 50 times. So 50% would be the answer. Correct?
But ma'am, I've seen this question and it is showing that it's unitary method and it will make that by making denominator 100 it will do the answer, ma'am.
Yeah, that way also you can do. Then unitary method will not be applied here. By making the denominator 100, you can say 2 are going to the right and total is 4. Okay, so to make 100, you have to multiply with 25 both the side. Okay, now it is 50 by 100. Okay,
Yes.
so from the total, if 100 B's, if total hundreds, then 50 are going to the right, it means 50% is going in the right. So this is the another method of doing this same problem, converting this denominator into 100. Actually, I think you can directly convert. No
Yes.
need to.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
you are unnecessary making your calculation complicated?
Yes, ma'am. These are very small numbers.
Use percentage always is percentage can be find out by using this formula, part divided by total number into 100. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If I say there are 5 students in the 7th class, 2 are active and 3 are duffer. Okay, 3 are duffer. So Tell me the percentage of active children in the class. Yes, Aisha Fatima.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Percent
what is that? 5 in 7? What you written?
5 in 7th class. 5 total number of students are 5.
Oh,
2 are
5
active
in.
and 3 are duffer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the percentage of active student? Yeah, Ritvik, Gohit.
Ma'am, what is duffer?
Ritvik, if you are not telling me after each and every question, you can type your answer so that I should know that you are doing with me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is duffer meaning?
Duffer. Sleeping. They sleep.
Ma'am.
Okay, they are not active, non-active. Okay, they are not giving any answer.
Ma'am, actually use the approximate answer.
Yeah, what is that?
Ma'am, 66.6%.
Yeah, Ritvik, what is your answer?
Ma'am, same 66.6.
Gohit.
Ma'am, me also 66.6.
Okay, correct. Okay, so now we will see percentage of red fishes. Okay, now see, there are total 15 fishes. 5 are, how many are red? 5. So what is the percentage of red fishes? Tell me.
Ma'am, we can write 5 by 15 into 100.
Yes. Correct. Ritvik Nimala, correct.
Ma'am, it's 33.
Ma'am, I told. Ma'am, Aisha Fatima told.
Yeah, Aisha correct, but Ritvik gave in the chat. Ritvik, not correct.
Ma'am, it's 30%, right, ma'am?
5 by 15 into 100.
Yes, ma'am. 5,
Is
3,
ma'am
Ma'am,
correct?
33 by 33, 1 by 3%.
Yes, 33.3. That
Yes,
is the correct one. Gohit,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Go
3
ahead.
into 100 is 3. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Ma'am,
100 by 3, not 3 into 100.
Yes, ma'am, 100 by
33. This is not 90. This is 100. If it would be 90, then you can say 30.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we will
Ma'am,
see.
that question was hard for me.
It is hard for you.
Yes, ma'am, I was a bit confused.
Why? What are the number of red fishes? How many red fishes are there?
5.
And how many total? 15.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the percentage formula? The number of red fishes, the number of red fishes to the total number of fishes into 100. So red fishes are 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Total
Ma'am,
are
5 by
15.
15 multiplied by 100.
Okay. Now we will see. Yeah. Converting decimal to percentage. Okay. How will you convert? The same.
Just need to multiply them by 100.
Multiply with the 100. Okay. If I say my decimal point is 0.88, decimal number is 0.88, then in percentage it would be
Ma'am, 88%.
88. Just multiply this with 100. So percentage would be 88. Okay. Okay. I think this is clear for everyone. Okay. Yeah. This part is important. Now see, the parts always add to give a whole. Okay. Can you see this triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3.
How many triangles are there? Total triangles. How many total
Ma'am,
triangles
4.
have
Five,
been drawn
ma'am.
inside this bigger triangle?
Ma'am,
Inside
5.
this bigger triangle, there are 4 number of triangles. So total number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
triangles are
Ma'am, 5.
4.
Huh?
Not the outer triangle.
Ma'am, the
Not-
outer triangle?
Don't count the outer triangle.
Okay, ma'am. Then 4.
The total number of small triangle. Therefore, okay. Now the red color triangle are
Ma'am, it's 3.
3.
3.
Ma'am, it's in pink.
Okay. So what are the percentage of red color triangle?
Ma'am, 75%.
Ma'am,
Red color triangle. What is
Ma'am,
the
75.
percentage?
Ma'am, 75.
See, The
Ma'am,
red
3 by 4 into 100.
Yes, 3 by 4 into 100.
Ma'am, 4 ones are 4 25s are, ma'am, 75.
Yeah. Mahavir.
75.
If one person is saying, don't interrupt, don't say in the between. Okay, Mahavir. Now 75% correct. Aisha, Mahavir correct. Ritvik, Gohit,
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Ma'am, 75.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Red colored triangles. Find out the percentage of red colored triangle. Red colored triangles are 3 out of 4. Total are 4. So 3 by 4 into 100. Okay, Ritvik? Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am. I was on mute. Sorry.
Okay. Now you do this one. The same. What percentage of these figure are shaded? Shaded.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 4 1.
The shaded part is
Yes, ma'am. Shaded part is 4 block. I mean 4 triangles.
4 triangle or 3 triangle are shaded.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 3 triangles shaded, 1 unshaded.
And total
Total 4.
4. So percentage of shaded triangle
Ma'am, 90%.
3 by 4 into 100. So
Ma'am,
how it could be 90%? 3 by 4 into 100. This would be 75 only. 75%. How did you get the 90%?
Ma'am, I didn't understand how you multiply.
3 by 4. The given number, the shaded number out of total number. How many parts are shaded? 3 out of 4. So 3 by 4 into 100. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't get how you calculated it, ma'am. Why did you write 25?
25.
Yes, ma'am.
4 divided by 100.
How it will be 25? You cut the 100 by 4 table, it would be 25. 25 4 is 100, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 25 into 3, it would be 75.
Okay.
Clear? Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we can discuss your problem. Okay. Ritvik, tell me where is your problem? What is your doubt?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. I'll just open
Use
that.
of percentage we will do in the next class. So we can discuss now the
Ma'am,
any
paper.
paper or any doubt.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just open paper and ask the doubt.
Okay. Wait, I am going to open the paper also.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number.
Which chapter?
Ma'am, should I tell? Ma'am, it's my first one is from comparing quantities only, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ma'am, 6 doubts from comparing
Yeah.
quantities.
So tell me one by one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first one is express the following in the simplest form. I have only 1 doubt in this, ma'am. Ma'am, which is the ma'am. Actually, ma'am, 2 doubts, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. 8:3, ma'am. Simplest form.
Okay. Simplest form is
Tried doing it's coming different.
simplest form. Read the question.
Yes, ma'am. 8:13.
8 ratio 13. Yes. Now, what you have to do? What is being asked here?
Ma'am, divide, ma'am.
Divide 8 by 13.
Yes, ma'am.
So the simplest form. So there will not be any simplest form further. This is the simplest form only.
Ma'am,
Can
so
you
we don't need to do anything, right,
can you
ma'am?
cut this division further?
No, ma'am.
No, no.
Ma'am, if it was 12, then we can, but it's
Yes. So this is in the simplest form only. Second one.
not. Yes, ma'am. Other one is yes, ma'am. 3:5 is to 9 by 2.
3:5 is to 9 by 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how will you simplify it? See. First, you simplify the middle division. Okay. So I told you that assume that this is a one quantity and this is the other second quantity. Okay, if two quantity are in a division, then then this division sign will change into the multiplication and the denominator part will get reversed. The denominator part will get reversed.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so this would be 3 into 2. Now you can multiply directly numerator with the numerator and denominator by
45.
denominator. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, other one is 2.5 is to 4.5 is to 6.
It's 2, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. Assume this is a one quantity. Okay. Again, further, if there is not 6 is a
Yes, ma'am.
there is a 6. Okay. If nothing is there, it means we can consider there is a 1 in the denominator of 6. Okay. So if nothing is there, we can consider that this number is a 1. 6 divided by 1. Okay. See, only you can divide this fraction part. Okay. They both should be a fraction. Since this is a fraction, now convert this.
Yes, ma'am.
This.
Ma'am, 2.5 by 4.5 into 1 by 6.
Yes, correct. Into 1 by 6. Similar.
Ma'am, 2.5.
Yes, see, the decimal can be removed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 25, 45 into 6 is 1 second, ma'am.
Actually, 25 or 45 can be solved out. 5 from 5 ja for 25 and 5 9 ja
9.
9. The 5 into 1 5, 9 into 6 54. So 5 by 54. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. My next doubt is, ma'am, it's a different one. It's a word problem. Ma'am, divide 880 between Sumit and Raya in the ratio 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. Ma'am, 880.
880. And
Ma'am, divide between Sumit and Raya in the ratio 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6.
Sumit and Raya in the ratio 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Okay, no problem. Total number of quantities 880. Okay, you have to divide first in 1 ratio 5. Okay,
Yes.
so we can say 1 by 5 into 880.
Mate, you wrote 800.
No. This would be different. This will be different. Wait. This will be different. Yes. So in this question, what you have to do, you have to take the, this is Sumit part. Okay. This is the Sumit part and this is the Raya part. Okay. So
Yes.
now for Sumit, okay, for Sumit, we have to divide 880. Okay, 880 into Sumit part is 1.
From 1 by 6.
Total part is 6. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 by 5, right?
1 by 5 plus 6. Actually, this is a part problem. This is a part
Yes,
division of part.
ma'am, his part is 1, ma'am, Sumit. Ma'am,
Yes.
and the total part is 6. Ma'am, so it will be 880 multiplied
Yes.
by 1 by 6.
This is the division of part. Okay. So Sumit part is 1. Raya part is 5. Total part is 6. Okay. So from the 6 part, Sumit will take 1 part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 part of 880. So 1 by 6 part of 880 would be 880 into 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
See, you can understand this question as if
Ma'am, I would understand easier if you do 1 by 6 into 880.
yes, 1 by 6 into 880. Similarly, Raya part would be 5 by 6 into 880.
Into 880.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the division for 1/5 ratio. Now for the 1/6 ratio, for 1/6, the Sumit part will be 1/6, 1/7,
7 into 8.
880. 1/7 into 880. And for Raya,
Ma'am.
it would be 6/7 into 880. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, I didn't understand why you wrote 1/7 and 6/7.
Because 6 and 1 and 6. See,
6 plus 1 is 7.
here you added, na? Here, how the 6 came? 1, 5 plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, for the second question, there is a 2 question for 1/5 part and for 1/6 part. There is a 2 question in this question, or only 1 question?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
I mean 1, ma'am, it's only 1.
Okay, it's only 1.
Yes, ma'am, it's 1/5. Ma'am, it's 1/5 is to 1/6.
1/5 and 1/6. Okay. I thought it is 2. Okay, then how will you do it? Yeah, Mahavir will tell. Mahavir, tell me.
Ma'am, I do not understand the question. Ma'am, can you tell the question?
He is saying there is a total 880 rupees and you have to divide in Sumit and Raya in ratio of 1/5 to 1/6. Ratio of 1/5 to 1/6. Yes, this one is the answer. So this is also, I think, the same. So 1/5. First of all, count the total part. Total part would be 1/5 plus 1/6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this would be 11/30. Take the LCM and then add. Total part would be 11/30. Correct. Now the Sumit part. Sumit part is 1/5. So Sumit part is 1/5 and total part is 11/13 and total money is 880 rupees. Okay. So this will be the part of Sumit. You can solve it 1/5 into.
Ma'am, 30/11.
Yes, convert this division to multiplication.
Ma'am,
Reverse
5.
the digit.
Ma'am, 5
into
5 6 are.
880. So you will get
Ma'am,
80.
yes, ma'am.
5 6 are 30. 480.
80 into 6 is equals to
480. 480 for Sumit. 480 rupees or any quantity for Sumit. And for Raya.
Ma'am, for Raya,
480
to 880 minus 480.
880.
Yes, 480. 880 minus 480. Yeah, that is also correct. Okay. So this would be 400.
400.
Okay. So is this correct? This answer is correct?
Ma'am, but if you want to exactly split it, we can just do it as 440 each, right, ma'am?
440 each if the ratios are same. 1/5 and 1/5.
1/5.
For 1/5 and 2/10, ma'am, then we can state that these are equivalent. Ma'am,
Yes.
it is 440 and 240.
Yeah, 440 we can't divide because the ratios are different. 1/5, 1/6. Okay, Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
any more doubt? No?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the algebraic expression question paper, question number 7.
Wait, let me to open first that question paper.
Open it.
Ma'am, I also have doubt in this chapter only. Ma'am, comparing quantities. Can I ask?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, there's one question. Wait 1 second. No?
Yeah, Mahavir, let me to finish this chapter down. After that, we will start.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, the question is calculate the ratio of 5 meter to 20 kilometer.
Yes, this is very easy. I have told you that taking the ratio, their unit must be same. Okay, here unit is different. One is meter, other one is kilometer. So you can change either meter to kilometer or kilometer to meter. So convert.
20,000.
Yes, wait. Mahavir, wait. How many meters are there in a 1 kilometer? There are 1000 meter in a 1 kilometer. Okay, so you can write this kilometer as 1000 meter. Now meter will get cancelled out. For taking the ratio, unit should be cancelled, and unit will be cancelled only when it will be same. Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
make
ma'am.
their unit same. The same unit ratio can be cancelled out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And ma'am,
always
yes, ma'am.
their unit must be same. You check the unit.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't
Ma'am, one more.
write this as 1/4 in Haribari. It will not be 1/4. 1/4 will be wrong.
Ma'am, can you make it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the coding class I have, ma'am, I'm late for it.
Okay, any other doubt, Aisha? No?
Yes, ma'am. One more. Another question. A student got 150 marks out of 200 in maths and got 120 marks out of 180 in science. In which subject did the student perform better?
Yes. That type of question we will do in the next class. Now see, in maths, total marks are 150 out of 200. In a science, 120 divided by 120 marks out of 180. Now you can convert into percentage, just multiply with the 100. Solve it and see which one is more.
Ma'am, maths is 75%.
Okay, you can solve it. Aisha, will you solve?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll solve it.
Okay. You simplify it, then you will get the answer. Which one is less? Which one is more? You can give the answer accordingly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any
And
more
ma'am,
doubt?
last. In if 72% of students like maths, find out the number of students who do not like mathematics.
Yes. So 72% like the maths. Okay. In percentage, we always take the 100 as a reference. Okay. From the 100, we assume the total are 100%. Total is 100%. So from total 100%, 72% like maths. So 100 minus 72% will not like the maths. Okay. So 28% will not like the maths. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Doubt clear? Clear to everyone?
Ma'am, but I have to do this in like how many students in number, not in percentage.
Okay, so what are the total number of students?
1 minute, ma'am. Total number of students 25.
25. Okay. So yeah, we'll discuss it later. Out of 25, 72% like the maths. Okay.
Yes.
And 28% don't like the maths. Okay. So now we can convert this percentage into number. Okay. How? You can
Ma'am,
write
28 by 100.
Wait. 28% of 25. What will be the 28% of 25? Okay, you can write 28% of 25. This of meaning is multiplication. This of meaning is multiplication. So write 25 and 28%. This percent meaning divide by 100. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we can also make it as an equation. Ma'am, like
Yes.
from before.
Yeah, always equation, or you can write 28% of 25. You have to find out 28% of 25. Of means multiplication, percentage means divide by 100. So now simply solve it.
Ma'am, 25 ones are 25
Four.
fours are. Ma'am, 4 ones are and 4
Seven.
sevens are.
So 7 students don't like maths. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. 25 minus 18. Yes.
Any other doubt?
Ma'am,
No,
the
ma'am.
algebraic.
Yeah, we will solve it tomorrow. You are discussing the topic which we have not covered yet, right? So that we will discuss in the next class. Aisha Fatima.
Ma'am, algebraic.
Okay, algebraic expression.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your doubt? What is your doubt in algebraic expression?
7. Ma'am, not my own doubt. Ma'am, in the test paper that you sent this week.
Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, let's share the screen. I have it ready.
Yeah. Can you share your screen? Wait. I should allow you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
How to allow security?
Yes, ma'am. Security it will be.
Share screen. Yeah,
I'm sharing it.
share it.
I have doubt in the seventh one.
Seventh one. Identify the binomial out of the following. Okay. So which one is binomial? Yes. The D one is binomial. See, they are like term xy square and xy square. They are like term. So 3xy square minus xy square would be 2xy square.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? Any
No,
no?
no, no.
No. Keep it.
Okay,
Again,
okay,
again,
yeah. Okay.
again share.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, Fatima, Nikhil,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have any doubt in this question paper?
No, ma'am, no question paper.
No? Wait.
Ma'am, and this one also I wrote it as pi and I got it wrong because I did not get the symbol.
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why did you get very less mark in this question paper? Where is the doubt?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have few doubts in this time.
Should I discuss the whole paper?
No, ma'am.
So where is the doubt? You ask me first.
Yes, ma'am. In the third one, ma'am, I didn't understand it, ma'am.
Third one, yeah, Mahavir.
X
Yes.
is a non-zero rational number. Product of the square of x with cube of x is equal to the.
I was asking from the other paper.
Yeah, open Mahavir. Share the other one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which one?
Ma'am, third one.
Third one. Yeah. X is a non-zero rational number. Product of the square of x with cube of x is equal to. Yes. So x is square into x cube. If the base is same, their exponent will get added. So 2 plus 3 would be 5.
5.
So the exponent would be 5. Fifth power of x.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone? Any other?
Ma'am, I've got one more doubt. Will you explain it now or in another class?
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute. The question is, a shopkeeper bought 2 phones for rupees
First,
8,000
Aisha,
each.
let me to finish
Yes,
the
ma'am.
doubt in this paper. After that, I will solve.
Okay.
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 Is this related to this paper? Does your
No,
doubt?
ma'am, it's different.
No? Okay. Okay. Next one, Ritvik. Yeah.
I'm looking to that he had 2 doubts, right?
No, Ritvik
No,
is
ma'am,
not.
that's it.
Yeah, Ritvik, your parents said me to discuss this whole paper. So where is the doubt? Then how will you solve this seventh one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, value of. Yes, one second. Yes, ma'am. Value of 10 by 20, 10 to the power 22 plus 10 to the power 20 by 10 to the power 20. Ma'am, we just have to first add the first we have to just add the top the powers, ma'am, which is
We can't add the top powers. They are not in a multiplication.
Yes.
They are in a addition. If there is a multiplication between two numbers, then only we can add. Correct?
ma'am, then 10 into 22.
What is the common? What is the common exponent?
Ma'am, 10.
10 raised to power 20 is common. If you will take 10 raised to power 20 common, then you will left with 10 raised to power 2 in the first term and 1 in the second term. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can actually strike this and this out.
Oh, no. You can't do this.
Why, ma'am?
No. You are not allowed to do this.
What,
Let
ma'am?
me to share my screen. Okay. You stop sharing.
Ma'am, that's his screen, ma'am. Nothing will happen to the original paper.
See, there is a 22 plus 10 raised to power 20 divided by 10 raised to power 20. Okay, this is your question. Now, in this, you can't add these two quantity directly. Okay, you can't say this would be 42 if there was a multiplication sign between them, then you can write the common base and you can add the exponent. This would be 10 raised to power 22. This will not be 10 raised to power 42. And you are not allowed to cut these numbers directly. Okay. If I say you are having this number, will you cut this 3? Mahavir, will you cut this 3 by 3? Or you will first add 2 plus 3 and then you will cut
First
with 3?
add and then do it.
Yes, first add it. Okay, here we can't add it. Then take the common term. 10 raised to power 20 is common in both. Okay, when you will take 10 raised to power 20 common, here you will left with 10 raised to power 2 and here you will left with 1. Okay,
Ma'am, it's finished about 22, right?
so see 22, I took 20 out. I took 20 out. So the left part will be 2. Correct?
And then where did 1 come from?
Here the see when I took this term out, then what will left? 1 will left.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and denominator it is 10 to the power 20. Now you can cancel out this term with this term since they are in a multiplication. Now you can cancel out this term and 10 raised to power square plus 1 will left out and 10 raised to power square is 100 plus 1 and that will be 101. Correct?
Ma'am, but here the answer is, wait, and the
Answer
answer,
would be 101. Now share your screen again. Mahavir, share your screen.
yes, ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, can you stop sharing, ma'am, because if you share, I can't.
Okay. Ritvik,
Ma'am, I didn't understand this, ma'am.
confusion.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand this one.
Actually, okay. Again, stop share, Mahavir. We'll play sharing, stop sharing. Okay. Yeah, Ritvik. If I say 5 plus 10 divided by 5. Okay. How will you solve it?
Ma'am, 15 by
15 by
5.
5. This is the one method. This is the one of the method.
5 is
Okay. Since here the exponent is large, they are very large number. Okay. So for very large number, we can't add these two numbers. Okay. So the second method is that you can take 5 as common. When you will take 5 as common, here you will left with 1 in the first term and here you will left with 2 because 5 2s are 10. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
And the write the denominator as it is. Now you can cut down this 5 5. Okay. And the 3 would be the answer. Same we are getting 3 from this method by adding these two number, or same we are getting by taking the common. Okay, so there are number of ways which we can use according to the convenient. Or if you don't want to use this method, you open this 10 raised to power 22, open this 10 raised to power 20. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. How much space it will take? Okay,
Ma'am, but that way also is like still little easy for me.
yeah, that will be easier for you, but it will take very huge amount of space.
Ma'am, 10 into 22 is basically 22
10 is to power 22 is 10 is to power square.
10
10
yes,
is power square is 100. It means
100.
add 2 0. In 22 exponent, add 22 0.
Okay.
Plus add 20 0.
0.
Divided by add
20
divided by 20 0. So how will you solve this?
Ma'am, by 2.
Ma'am, now, okay.
It would be difficult and you may you may do mistake by solving. Okay, so the best method is take the common, take the 10 is for 20 common. Okay, in the first part you will left with 10 square, in the second part you will left with only 1 and the numerator is 10 is for 20. Now you can cancel out 10 is for 20, 10 is for 20 and you are left with 100 plus 1.
Ma'am, I do not understand why we are taking brackets 10 to the power like 10 square and 1.
I have told you in the algebraic expression that do you know how to factorize any expression? This is a factor. This is a factorization.
Ma'am, like you mean like 10 to the power 20
See,
multiplied by 10 square?
if I am having a 5 plus 10 and if I say take the 5 common, then this is the method of taking common. Take the 5 common and write the left part in the bracket. Okay, you are taking 5 common. So left part would be 1 plus 2. Okay,
Ma'am,
so this 5, if you will take 5 out from the bracket, you will left only 1. And here from the 10, if you will take 5 out, 2 will left.
why 2, ma'am? Ma'am, there will be 5, right?
Distributive law. Do you know distributive law?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When you will solve this again, you will get the same thing. 5 into 1 plus 5 into 2. 5 plus 10. You will get the same thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Ritvik, after some time you take some rest and after that you again try to solve it. You will get.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Aisha Fatima, what is your problem?
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling. A shopkeeper bought. Should I tell the question, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. A shopkeeper bought 2 phones for rupees 8,000 each. After selling the phones, there was a loss of 4% on the first phone, while a profit of 8% on the second phone. Calculate the overall gain or loss percent
Yes.
on the whole
That
transaction.
we will discuss tomorrow. Next class, day after tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
First, let me to finish that theory part.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, we will take that question. No
Okay,
problem.
ma'am.
I think this is enough for today. Yes.
Yes,
Any other doubt? No. Should I stop here?
ma'am.
Okay. Then bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice